Okay, so I just want to walk you through my room. So over here I have my setup. I already made a video about this, about my setup, and it's overall really great setup. I like it quite a lot. And this is my like second PC. It's a Plex server. I might make a video on this, but I just made like a PC just for streaming off Plex servers, and like so I can just watch any movie and TV show I want. And here's my MacBook Air M2, and my router is over there. This is some like shelf. So I have here a heater, a smart heater, and here also a smart air purifier, so I can just tell Alexa to turn on the heater. Alexa, turn on the heater. As you can see, it started moving. And then I can also do the same thing with the air purifier, but I'm not gonna do it now because I'm making a lot of noise. And this is the plant I have. It's like slowly dying, but it's like hard to kill this plant. And this is an Echo Dot 4 of the clock. Alexa, turn off the heater. This is all my books. I sometimes read them, and this is like, it's like cleaning up stuff. I have a hand sanitizer here and stuff. And over here, this is where I put to charge my phone. It's a wireless charger. It's charging, and it has also a Apple Watch charger here too, and my AirPods. And this is a smart speaker, not smart speaker. It's just a Anchor Soundcore speaker, like a Bluetooth speaker that I use to connect to Alexa because the sound quality on Alexa's ass. These are my shoes for basketball, LeBron's. This is a charger for, what's it called? A PS5 charger. I'll just show you an example. Just put it on top like this, and then it charges it. And then next, I have my iPad here. This is why I charge my iPad. And this is my girlfriend's old phone that I use for some hand cam videos. And this is like all the stuff that my girlfriend gave me over the years. And down here is where I keep like snacks and like stuff. I wanted this at an arcade. It took forever, but I finally got it. This is where I put my laundry, a guitar. I don't play the guitar. And this is just to like hide the cables here. This is my vacuum, small handheld vacuum, really great. I really got to fix the cable management here, but I have this is my bed. It's all black, like all the pillowcases are black, the sheets are black, the comforter is black, everything is black. So it's like it just absorbs all the light that hits it. This is my like some decoration paintings on here. There's a big painting here, and this is my PS5. And down here is my backpack and a subwoofer, and I'm not sure you can see it, but there's a sound bar right here, and that's connected to the subwoofer. I put it on the floor because I heard subwoofers are better on the floor, and that it was true. I had it here before, like on top of the shelf, and it sounded horrible, but on the ground is where it's supposed to be, and it sounded way better. And so my PS5 is to the corner there, and my TV here. I'm not sure what size this TV is. I'm pretty sure it's a 55-inch. I'm not sure, but it's 1080p, which means that the quality isn't that good. But I sit pretty far. I sit like over here, so I barely see the pixels anyways. And it's a pretty good TV. I had it for like a year now. And I also put on dark plates, like black covers for the PS5. It just looks way cleaner with the black on the PS5. Pretty sure I covered everything. This is my nightstand, a trash can here just in case I need it, and then this is the remote for the TV, and this is the this is the soundbar remote. This is a painting I made in art class, and my black PS5 controller that I mainly use, and this is my nightstand from IKEA. And there's a weight scale down there, and my journal here, and my glasses here. My room is pretty small. I'm not sure you can tell on camera, but my room is my bed takes up 55% of my entire room. I'm trying to downsize it to like a twin size because I'm just only one person, and sleeping on a queen size bed is crazy for just one person. Oh yeah, it's my paintings. My friend made this for me for Christmas like 3 years ago or something, or 5 years ago. And this is a mentality poster from Instagram. And this is a painting that me and my girlfriend made together. And these are my pegboard, and there's a wall mirrors, and I also have an air conditioner here. So yeah, that's about it.